Are you wondering if you can actually install any games or additional apps on the Redmi Watch 5 Active? So when you basically go to the this watch app, basically you actually can't really install any additional apps or games. So basically you can't really install games on this device, unfortunately. So, and the apps only it has, these are the apps it has. So again, we can't really install additional apps, and basically the limitation, basically what kind of apps we have, yeah, it's kind of hard limitation, and generally there actually aren't that many things that we can do on this watch. For example, on some other watches we can install some additional like apps or games. So if you want a watch that is able to play some basic games, which is maybe in the same price range as this, I can suggest you to maybe get something like used Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. For example, I paid literally only $20, actually a bit less for this model. So it's a few years old, but it actually runs full Wear OS, and you can install pretty much any like Android app that is available basically. And also it has like many games that you can also play on this device as well. But this one, still for the price it costs brand new, I think it's still really good watch. Anyway, good luck.